today we're gonna be running from the police. Not in real life, like. Nope. From in Corebox, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna just spawn to my right here. And hopefully I won't die from them. I kinda hate that now Gordos talk to each other and they don't like run away from me, but fuck them. I'm gonna go like from that corner and snipe one and see if he catches on, then snipe him. Not the Gordol that I killed, like, no, not that one. Okay, for the guns I'm gonna get a Deagle, AK-47, a Barrett, and how the fuck is it called? And where the fuck is it? Hey, okay. Let's see. I don't see anybody, like, but bro, fuck this view, like, can't see anybody, bro. Broskid's not dead, like. Are you dead? No, how the fuck does this happen, like? Nah, bro's Batman. What the fuck? What internations? What the fuck did I survive that? Not break my legs? Seriously. Oh, good. No one knows about me. That's good, I guess. Let me just reload my gun and... and run away. That's the best move. Yeah. No. How the fuck did bro find out? This shit just happened, like. Fuck you. Reload, bro. What the fuck? How many of them did? Holy fucking god, like, bro. What the fuck? Okay, like, fuck y'all. I guess I'm gonna get... This. And... this, yeah. It's okay. I'm gonna go just snipe one and run the fuck away. Because what the actual fuck should I do? Like, yeah. For now I kinda hate that it resets, like the method. What the actual fuck happened? Fuck you. What the fuck did bro survive that, like? Fuck you. Die, bro. Die. Oh, equality, brother. Nah, bro is just gay. Or lesbian, trans, something like. Fuck you. They just miss all those shots, like. The audacity, huh? No. Fuck you, bro. Who, you? Fuck you. No. Fuck you. You're dead. What kind of fucking armor do they have? Like, bruh. Fuck you. Seriously. Fuck you. Nah. You aiming a gun at me. Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Okay. Where is everyone? Like? I'm dying. Help me. Nope, I'm not dying. Let's find another Pidaras and shoot him. Ăsta Pidaras. Ăsta musar. How Russians say, this is musar. Like in Russian, they say ăsta musar. Like musari in Russian equals to police. How they say, not all of them but some. They say police is musar and just garbage. So yeah, fuck you, musar. And for some context, I am not from USA or UK or a country that speaks English like its original language. I am from a Balkan country that I know a bit of Russian. I'm not from Russia. I know a bit of Russian. Not, you know. This is everything. This is everyone. Okay, good. Let's make another wave of police, I guess. And for this time, let's just fuck off, bro. I don't need you. I'm gonna get what gun should I use? I'm gonna get the G3 and I'm gonna get some armor because I'm not gonna be fucking fighting them with zero armor. Like, that's not happening. I am gonna be like equal to them. No, fuck equality. Like this, yeah. And armor for the arms and yeah. We're chilling. So I am gonna just get this motherfucker. I am gonna put him right here and he's gonna fuck with his co-workers and found me more Gordols and fucking Gorbox. It's lagging my device. And for context, I don't have I don't play on a potato. Like I have a bit. I think it's quite good device. Like for context, I had like origin. Bro, why aren't you like retiring? Like fuck you. Okay, for context, when I made the leaks and shit, I had a Redmi 9. That piece of shit was a fucking potato, like fuck it. Now I have a Samsung Galaxy A55, and this it's an obvious upgrade. Like fuck Redmi 9, like that shit doesn't. It's a fucking potato, like to be honest. But it got me where I am right here, I guess. Yeah. So let's just read. Fuck you. What the actual fuck? Thank you, armor. No. Thank you, armor. Just save my ass. It's all good for them. Okay, fuck you. No, what the fuck? What the fuck? I think they are just not firing, not keep firing. How many of you are like? Fuck you. How many of you? Like seriously? No. No. Isn't 12K supposed to be little? Fuck. What the fuck? Okay, I have my arm back. I notice it's like cheating, but how the fuck am I supposed to play this game when these motherfuckers I have like aimbot? They can just one-shot me, just casually one-shot me, like fuck yeah. How much life do you POV? Bro, kill me. What the actual fuck, bro? What are you taking out? Nothing, like. Oh, don't be a crybaby. Okay. Fuck y'all. Not the view. Who the fuck just shot me, like? Oh, you. No, this shit ain't. What the actual fuck, bro, has an AK? Like, casually walking down the street with an AK that isn't even properly loaded. Okay, that's good, I guess. It's good for me, not for them. Fuck them. It's just me or I saw this corp like carrying itself, like what the fuck is it called? No. Whatever. What? What? Am I blind or something? No. No, my bro has fucking aimbot like something. No, I swear these Gordals like have fucking aimbot or something, like they're overpowered, to be honest. They are too OP, really, bro. It all started it all started from this motherfucker. Fuck you. I forgot how to speak English. Yes, can happen sometimes to me. Okay. I'm telling you, bro has fucking aimbot. What are you fucking made out of?
I'm unarmed. I surrender. Don't.
Mata is unarmed. Fuck you. Oh, the OG motherfucker. Fuck you. What the actual fuck are you made out of? Like, I shot bro like what, 3-4 times, and he thought he just forgot to die or something. Like, what the fuck, bro? And I didn't shoot him like in the chest or something, like, you know, what the fuck. Okay, so I think this is all for the video, I guess. So if you have more suggestions for me, to do in Gorebox, like, hey bro, can you do a Gorebox main hunt where there are next bots chasing you and you fight them off? I'm not gonna do that because they're overpowered, but leave suggestions in the comment. So thank you. Goodbye. Have a good day.